Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 2. So we have a list of classes of the phylum Arthropoda, and we're to use to answer questions 2 and 3. So this is question 2. So the classes you have are Crustacea, Insecta, Arachnida, and Chilopoda. So the question is, which members of the classes live mainly in an aquatic habitat? A. 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. So the phylum Arthropoda is the largest in the kingdom Animalia. Now it has 4 classes which you have listed here. So the class Crustacea are basically aquatic organisms, and examples include the crab, prawn, lobster, etc. Now the class Insecta is the second here, and it is made up of insects, for example cockroach, ant, housefly, etc. And then 3, Arachnida, is made up of the scorpions, the spiders, etc. And then the Chilopoda is made up of the centipedes. So those are the examples you have. Now from the descriptions we give, the crustaceans are the aquatic organisms such as the crabs, prawns, and the lobsters. So they live mainly in an aquatic habitat. So option A, which is number 1, class Crustacea, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.